Welcome to Travel Partner. Tonight we dive into the electric nights of San Francisco. This city is a beacon of lights, music, and open-hearted people. San Francisco's nightlife is legendary for its spirit of freedom and acceptance. We'll explore neighborhoods that come alive after dark, each with its own story. From jazz clubs to rainbow-lit streets, you'll see why this city is unforgettable at night. Whether you're planning a visit or just dreaming from home, you'll get a taste of what makes San Francisco's evenings so special. We'll visit iconic places, meet the people who shaped them, and feel the city's unique rhythm. This isn't just a guide to bars and clubs. It's a journey into the soul of San Francisco. So get comfortable and let's step into the cool San Francisco night together. Ready to discover a city that truly comes alive after sunset? Let's begin our adventure through the neighborhoods, music, and stories that make San Francisco's nightlife shine. Subscribe to Travel Partner for more journeys like this. Let's see what wonders await us tonight. San Francisco's nightlife is world famous, thanks to its history of welcoming new ideas and dreamers. Each neighborhood lights up with its own culture and energy when the sun sets. You might hear jazz in one area, see rainbow flags in another, or catch the scent of Latin food nearby. This diversity makes every night an adventure. You never know what's around the corner. The city's open-minded spirit began during the Gold Rush, when people from everywhere brought their traditions. Later, artists and thinkers in the 1950s and 60s fueled a creative energy that still pulses through the city's bars and clubs. Today, San Francisco remains a magnet for creative, open-hearted people. Whether you want a cozy bar or a wild dance club, you'll find your place here. The city invites you to be yourself and join the celebration. Every night promises a new discovery and a new friend. San Francisco's nightlife is as vibrant and diverse as its people. Let's explore what makes it so special. Our first stop is North Beach, a neighborhood with Italian charm and a rich artistic history. By day, it's all about coffee and fresh bread. By night, it transforms into a hub of poetry and jazz. North Beach was home to the Beat Generation. Writers like Jack Kerouac and Allen Ginsberg gathered here to share ideas. You can still visit City Lights Bookstore and Vesuvio Cafe, where their legacy lives on. Jazz is woven into North Beach's soul, with clubs that once hosted legendary musicians. Today, you'll find cozy venues where live music fills the air. Enjoy an Italian dinner, then wander the glowing streets for a taste of history and culture. North Beach isn't about flashy parties. It's about great conversations, books, and timeless music. It's a place that feeds your mind and soul. Take your time, soak in the atmosphere, and discover the simple pleasures of a night in North Beach. This neighborhood offers a night of culture and charm you won't forget. Let's keep moving. San Francisco's night has much more to offer. Next stop, a neighborhood that shines with pride. Welcome to the Castro, San Francisco's heart of LGBTQ+ life and culture. Rainbow flags wave proudly, and the energy is joyful and welcoming. The Castro is a symbol of freedom and the fight for equality, with nightlife that celebrates this spirit. Harvey Milk, a key figure here, inspired a movement for hope and acceptance. The Castro's bars, clubs, and the iconic Castro Theater offer everything from drag shows to film festivals. Whether you want a quiet chat or to dance until dawn, you'll find your place here. The streets are alive with laughter, music, and celebration. Everyone is welcome, no matter who you are or who you love. Experience the bright lights, fabulous shows, and powerful sense of community. The Castro is a true San Francisco treasure. Next, we visit the Mission District, a neighborhood bursting with Latin heritage and artistic energy. By night, the Mission comes alive with salsa mariachi and the aroma of incredible food. Traditional taquerias and trendy cocktail bars sit side by side, creating a unique blend of old and new. Many bars and cafes double as art galleries, and small theaters host live music, poetry, and plays. The Mission's creative spirit means there's always something new to discover. A night here is about more than drinks. It's about experiencing culture, art, and community. Start with a delicious meal, then explore hidden bars or catch a local band. The Mission is always changing, but never loses its warmth. Dance, eat, and connect with the creative heart of San Francisco. Feel the beat and let the Mission's energy move you. Let's continue our journey through the city's legendary nightlife. San Francisco's nightlife is shaped by legendary clubs, some still thriving, others living on in stories. The Fillmore was the epicenter of psychedelic rock in the 1960s, hosting icons like the Grateful Dead and Janis Joplin. Mabuhay Gardens, or the Fab Mab, was the heart of the city's punk scene in the 70s and 80s. These venues defined generations and set the stage for new music and ideas. Today, you can catch live shows at the Independent or step into the glamorous past at Bimbo's 365 Club. Clubs like Public Works and the Mission bring in top DJs and keep the dance floor alive. In the Castro, Twin Peaks Tavern made history as one of the first gay bars with open windows, a symbol of pride. Visiting these places connects you to the city's vibrant nightlife history. Whether you love rock, jazz, or dance music, San Francisco's clubs offer something for everyone. The city's tradition of great live entertainment continues every night. Explore these iconic spots and feel the pulse of San Francisco's nightlife. The story of the city's nights is written in its legendary venues. Let's discover the sounds that shaped San Francisco. Music is the heartbeat of San Francisco's nightlife, shaping its identity across generations. The Fillmore District was once called the Harlem of the West, alive with jazz legends like Duke Ellington and Billie Holiday. In the 1960s, psychedelic rock emerged in Haight-Ashbury, with bands like the Grateful Dead creating the soundtrack to The Summer of Love. Disco took over in the 1970s, especially in the Castro, where it became an anthem for pride and resilience. Artists like Sylvester captured the spirit of freedom and celebration. Today, the city's music scene is a vibrant mix. EDM, indie rock, salsa, and classical all have a home here. San Francisco's diversity is reflected in its sound, with venues for every taste. From small jazz clubs to massive dance floors, music brings people together every night. The city is always evolving, welcoming new sounds and artists. This rich musical history makes every night out unforgettable. In San Francisco, you'll always find a rhythm that moves you. Let's meet the people who made these nights legendary. San Francisco's nightlife was shaped by bold, creative individuals. Jose Sarria, a fearless drag performer at the Black Cat Cafe, built community and pride in the 1950s. He became the first openly gay candidate for public office in the U.S., paving the way for others. Bill Graham transformed the Fillmore into a legendary venue, setting the standard for live music experiences. In the Mission, women artists created the Women's Building and its iconic Maestra-Piece mural, a beacon of art and activism. Beat poets, punk rockers, and countless everyday dreamers all contributed to the city's spirit. Their courage and creativity made San Francisco a place where everyone can belong. When you go out here, you're part of this ongoing story. You walk in the footsteps of artists, rebels, and visionaries. San Francisco's nights are alive with their legacy. We've journeyed through San Francisco's legendary neighborhoods, music, and stories. Now, it's your turn to experience the city's vibrant nightlife. Don't stick to just one area. Explore North Beach, the Castro, and the Mission for a true taste of the city. Try a classic cocktail, catch a drag show, or discover a new band in a hidden venue. Talk to locals. They're often happy to share their favorite spots. The best adventures happen when you step off the main path. Remember, San Francisco's nightlife is a living museum of culture and history. As you explore, Think of the stories and people who made this city what it is. You're not just a tourist, you're part of a long, beautiful story of freedom and creativity. Thank you for joining me on this tour. Subscribe to Travel Partner for more adventures. Go out, have fun, and make memories that will last a lifetime. San Francisco is ready for you. Happy travels.